Hello. You're muted, Manoj. Hello. Hi. Just take off your earphones. Take off your earphones. Remove your earphones. Take off your earphones. And unmute yourself because it shows that you are muted. Yeah, now unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yeah, done. Hi, hi. Yeah, now it's fine. Now it's fine. How are you, Manoj?
Hello.
How are you, Manoj? Again, your voice is not coming. Remove your earphones. Yeah. Your voice is not coming. Remove your earphones. Don't use your earphones.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Now it's fine. Now it's fine. Now you're audible.
Okay. Can you tell me what is your name?
My name is Atul. What is your name?
My name is Govind Kumar. I'm from Jharkhand. Do you know about Jharkhand?
Yes, I know about Jharkhand because I'm also from Jharkhand.
Okay. Can you tell me what part of Jharkhand?
Ranchi. I'm from Ranchi.
Okay. So can you tell me what do you do?
I'm a student right now. What about you?
I'm also a student. Right now, I'm searching for job as like defense line.
Oh, defense.
By the way,
You're
actually, I want to improve my English. So can you give me some tips? How can improve my English?
yeah, yeah. Okay. We will. What we can do is we will go one by one. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So should we do the introduction part first, or you want to know about the tips only?
Introduction first.
Introduction first, no? Because then only we get a bit more friendly, and then we can have a good conversation, right? Yeah, so my name is Atul and I was born and brought up in Jharkhand and right now I'm in Mumbai and I love to teach. So that was about my introduction. Can you introduce yourself, Manoj? Your name is Manoj, right? It
No,
shows Manoj.
no, my name actually Govind Kumar. This is my brother name.
Okay, okay, Govind. All right. Your camera is off.
You can see me.
Yeah, now it's fine. Now it's fine. Now introduce yourself.
My name is Govind Kumar. I have done my graduation from economics honors. Right now, I'm preparing to government job as like defense line. That's all.
Okay. So that was a very nice introduction and I think this is your demo session.
Yes, today is my first session.
Yeah, so welcome. So Govind, welcome to English Shari and I hope that you will have a wonderful journey ahead with us, right?
Thank
And I
you.
hope that you're gonna be a very fluent speaker. Yeah. So basically, you're a defense aspirant. You want to go to. You want to like your defense aspirant of what? Army, Navy, or Air Force?
I would like to go Indian Army.
Okay, feeling a proud Indian Army, right?
Yes, I am very crazy.
You're very crazy about Army. Okay, that's a good thing, man. You want to join Army as a soldier or as an officer?
As a soldier.
Okay, as a soldier. Okay, that's a very good thing. And for that, you need to, like you want to improve your English. You want to improve your English, your communication skills, your writing part, your grammar part, and all those things, so that you can crack the exam, right?
Yes, you are right. Actually, I want to improve my fluency. So, you give me some tips. How can I improve my fluency?
Okay, I'm gonna give you a very simple and a logical tip. So your native language is Hindi, right?
Yes, my native language is a Hindi.
Okay, but now you want to learn English. So, first step, just try to assume that English is your native language from now on. Second thing is, suppose tomorrow you are going to, Jammu and Kashmir. So that you will think in Hindi, right? To tomorrow I'm gonna go to Jammu and Kashmir. I will do this. I will do that. That you will think in Hindi. Okay. So try to switch that thing from Hindi to English. So basically, what I'm trying to say is, think in English.
Yes,
All
yes,
right. So that
right.
is the, I think, best way to improve your fluency,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Because as much as you will think in English, that much you're gonna speak in English. Because speaking is directly proportional to thinking, or vice versa. ठीक है? Okay,
Yes, yes.
fine now. All right. As this is your demo session, so I would like to tell you something about English, Yari. Should I?
Actually, I want to ask a question.
Please, please, yeah, ask me.
Okay, can you give me details? English theory. What is the future?
What is the future of English, Yari?
Yes.
Okay, so I think we have a very good future, right? And our plans are quite affordable to all the people out there, you know. So, and we have, like, the founders of English Yari, they are working day and night and they're trying to give their best efforts. And yeah, very soon we are going to have our own application as well as our own website where we can have the conversations, okay, and a lot more things, right?
Yes, I can.
So
Thank
we
you.
have a very good future, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, please, can you tell me, uh, how long have you been in this platform?
Okay, so I think mm, 3 to 4 months, I guess. 4 to 5 months, approx 4 to 5 months.
Do you like this platform?
That's why I'm teaching, yeah, na?
Oh, yeah.
Right? If you don't like something, you will not, use that thing. So obviously, I like English, Yari.
Uh,
That's why I'm here. Peace. Yeah.
Actually, I want to ask a question. How did you learn English?
Well, I think I had that environment, during my school life. We used to speak in English only. We used to have the interactions with teachers in English only. Like everything was in English only. So it was quite easy for me to do that. And a little bit of efforts I have put in. That's it.
Okay, thank you. What is your hobbies?
My hobbies. I love to teach. I love listening music and all, like songs and all. Uh, Different kind of songs. Sometimes
What kind of song?
romantic songs, or desi songs, dance songs, like every category you can count.
Do you
Like,
like the English song?
sometimes, but
Okay,
mostly I prefer 90s songs, old 90s songs.
okay.
Like you have Gulabi Aankhein, Mere Sapnon Ki Rani, blah blah, etc things, songs, right?
Oh,
I
that's
love
cool.
those.
That's cool.
What about you? What are your hobbies? And tell me something.
Yes, I'm going to tell you my hobbies. I like to swimming, dancing, watching movies, reading newspaper, etc. Like watch English conversion video. I try to improve my English. I love watch YouTube videos.
Okay, okay. A small correction. I like to watch English conversation videos. Add S, not single. Like just add
Okay.
S. Okay, it should not be video. It should be videos because you watch a lot of videos, na. That's the reason why you have to use, or you have to add S after videos.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Apart from this, any other questions which you would like to ask me, Govind?
No, no. I want to ask you how is my English, right or wrong?
You're like, yeah, you speak, like, yeah, you're not a beginner. You already know how to speak and you already know how to express yourself. So that's a very good thing. Okay,
Okay.
right? And just keep the legacy on, and then I think you're gonna be a very fluent speaker in upcoming few months or in upcoming years, right?
Yes.
You speak good, you speak good. Yeah, you don't hesitate, you're not scared or something like that. So that's a very, positive or good sign, you can say.
You can understand what I am saying?
Yeah, man, obviously. Like, yeah, totally, 100%.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So, you wanna ask anything else? Any other
No, no, no,
questions?
no. You ask me anything.
Okay. So, how did you get to know about English, Shari?
Oh, actually, I like to watch videos conversion. So I have watched on YouTube. So I got know about English theory. So I came here.
Okay, okay. So, through YouTube, you got to know about us,
Yes,
about English.
through YouTube.
Okay, that's a very good thing. And what are your weak areas in English? Like, why do you want to learn English? You have any specific areas like you have some issues with grammar or pronunciation errors or something like that, or you just want to practice with us?
No, actually, when I try to talk to people, so I got nervous. So I want to remove my hesitation after talking someone in front of person.
Yeah, not got nervous, but you should say get nervous.
Or get nervous.
Yeah, right.
So how can I remove? Can you give
Okay.
me some tips?
Yeah, obviously, man. It's as simple as that. So basically, what you have to do is practice as much as possible, right?
Okay.
Because when you will get used to something, like suppose right now you're having this thing, you get nervous when you are around people or when you are speaking in English. Because I think the practice which you have put in is very less. So what I can say is just practice as much as possible. I think that's the key factor which gonna play a very important role in your journey. And yeah, practice as much as possible. Like that's the only tip, or that's only the way. It's a
Okay.
very practical thing.
Thank
Yeah.
you giving me information.
I don't know. It's my pleasure. I'm very glad that you like my tip, or even say so-called tips. Yeah. Okay. So, any other questions you have,
No, no,
or
no.
should I ask?
You ask me.
Okay. So, why do you think that people in India are like they are so much crazy about this language English?
No, actually,
They
English
really
is
want to learn English. Why?
actually, English is an international language.
Hmm.
So, through English, I can talk to easily around person. You know, actually, we are
Yeah.
living in South India. South India, there are a lot of person don't know how to speak in Hindi. So
Right. Right.
if I have a knowledge in English, so I can talk easily to them.
I totally agree with you on this. That English is a global language and it's very easy to communicate with other people. You know. Yeah, that's
Actually, actually, I'm preparing to government job, so you know that very well. For every interview, English is necessary for everyone.
right. 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 That's a fact.
So, I am try to improving my English.
Okay. So basically, when you're gonna give this interview now, I can just tell you that 80% chances are there that they're gonna ask you this question. Why do you want to join army only? Why not navy or air force?
Actually, I am able to Indian Army. I am capable to Indian Army. So I would like to go Indian Army.
What's the reason? Why are you capable of like army only? Why not navy or air force?
No, actually, I like to both. But I have interest only Indian Army. So I would like to go.
Okay, okay. And what do you think about navy and all?
Oh, actually, Navy is something is a very hard process. Like English. I think Navy is on age limit. You're 21. 20, last 20 you can apply to from.
Mhm.
You can apply for Navy. You have a 20 to 21 years old, you can apply. But I am 22, so I can't go for Navy.
Okay. Fine. That's the reason. Okay. Mhm. I think, but there are some, relaxations given to some, backward class.
Yes, you are right.
Yeah, but that, that's the matter of interest here. It doesn't matter in which force you want to go in. Doesn't matter. All three forces are best. It's your wish. It's your choice. You can go wherever you want to. You're free to do whatever you want to. Right?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So for you, army is the best. That means army is the best. That's it. Right? Okay.
Oh,
So, what all things which you expect from us from English Shari? Like, is there anything which you want us to do or something like that for you?
okay, I have one question. How can I improve my English through English diary?
Okay, so I'm gonna tell you two, three things. The tutors, of English Shari, they are so damn friendly. You can ask them any questions, you know,
Okay.
and they are ready to answer each and every question. Okay. Second thing is that they will give you corrections. They will see what are the mistakes which you're making, and they will note it down somewhere. And then at the end of the session, they will tell you when it comes to your feedback. So they will tell you what are the mistakes, some grammar issues, or pronunciation errors. They're going to tell you each and everything, right? So they will
Yes.
correct you. They will correct your mistakes, and that's how you will improve, right?
Okay. So, what have a time? We have a
Pardon?
time.
Okay. We have 3 minutes left for the
Three
session to
minutes.
end. Yeah. So I'm just gonna tell you two, three things. So a little bit about English, Ari. So in every session you will get a session document in the form of PDF in which you will have new topics like traveling, you know, uh, something related to technologies and all, and a lot of topics you will get. Something related to army because you're interested, for army, and also you will have some topics about Indian army, why army is important for a country, and a lot of topics like that. And you will have vocabulary section on that PDF and a lot of things you will have, stories and all, so which will help you a lot in your journey. Yeah, and never treat us as tutors. Treat us as if we are your friends. Okay,
Okay. Thank you.
all right. Apart from this, anything which you would like to ask me, or should we end this session now?
Oh no, I got it everything.
Okay, yeah, ask.
Okay,
Okay.
I have one question. Can I get the again this video? Can I watch?
Yes, you can watch this video. I think, yeah, obviously, man, you will get the recorded video.
After end after end the conversion, I can find this video. No?
Yes, you will get this video on that group only.
Okay, thank.
You're just let me check. Okay, so you're here English Shari class with Atul, right? So in this now you will get this video. Just wait for 2-3 minutes and you will find this video. Okay. So small feedback for you, a very small like mistakes which I've noticed. You should not say a lot of person.
Okay,
You should say a lot of people, right? You should say a lot of people. You should not say a lot of person. Okay.
okay. A lot
All
of
right.
person.
A lot of person is wrong. Okay.
Oh, a
A lot
lot
of
of
person.
person is a wrong. No,
Yeah, it's wrong. You should say a lot of people. It's
a
right.
lot of people. Okay,
Right. Shabash. Yes. Okay.
thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. By the way, you're a very sweet person and you're very cute. You have a very good smile, right?
Okay, same to you.
Yeah.
You are very very good person.
Thanks. Okay. So, Govind, it was very nice talking to you, and I hope that we'll have our interactions in our upcoming sessions. Till then, now goodbye and take care. Signing off. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, welcome. Bye.